everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created this really cute bracelet. Let me try to get this to focus. There we go. This really cute and simple bracelet, you guys. Look at that. And the cool part about it is these are actually paper beads, you guys. Like paper beads. Let me put it on. You guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. But look at it. It's like super cute. Super cute. I made one for my daughter. She's a Virgo. She has her little Virgo symbol. But you guys can customize this. Get really creative. You know, the type of beads and little image that you put on it. Super, super simple. Super cute. You guys, look at it though. Like, look at it. And the beads, like, they sparkle. It's not really showing up that good in the video, but these beads sparkle, honey. Okay, so that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into this craft. Alright, you guys, so this is what the little templates that I created looks like. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and cut out each one of these beads. Not sure if I'll need them all, but hey, it's better to have more than not enough. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to cut these out, and then I'll see you soon. Alright, so I have my paper beads all cut out. I'm going to be using 10 of the 12. I think that should be enough, and I'm simply just going to be using popsicle sticks to wrap these beads. Something that I'm sure most crafters have just on hand. You can, however, use one of these tools, toothpick, a wood skewer to wrap them if you like the round, you know, like the tube beads better. But this is just the way that I'm gonna make mine, and you guys, I hope it comes out cute. It's Taurus colors. Okay, so I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. Let's go ahead and get to wrapping. I will also show you a little trick as well, like for the edges. Like this part is going to be seen at the end, so if you want it like a little accent color, just color along the edges. Yeah, you don't have to do the whole thing unless you want to do the whole thing. That's totally up to you. But I know for me, I'm going to end up embossing the side, so I really don't need to do all of that. This is one I've already wrapped, and I did not color the ends like I just did, and you're going to see the difference. So as you can see right there, you can see the little brown edges compared to this one up here where you see none. And I just put some regular kids school glue down the side of this bottle just to make it easier for me to spread into the ends. But yeah, that is a easy, cute way to get like a little accent color on your beads. So just thought I'd show you guys that, if that was something you wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish wrapping all of them, and then I'll be back. Now from here, all we're doing is the sealing process, and I just got two little what is these, embossing pads that I'm just going to be setting down and using to just place them on like that, so they're not, you know, touching anything, and just to allow them to dry. So that's how I'm going to be using these, but I'm just going to seal them with some good old-fashioned Mod Podge. That's really all you need. And I'm only going to do one coat. You can do two if you like, but I'm just going to do one coat. Alright, you guys, now to not seal it, I just sealed it, to glaze it, and to also give it a bit of a harden, you can use this. This is what I'm going to use, polyacrylic protective finish. This is the clear gloss, and you can also you know, like emboss it with these little things. But I don't have clear, you guys. I could not find my clear, so I'm not going to be using that. But I will be doing the edges with the probably the gold. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it, how many coats? One. I'll probably just do one just to get through the video. But like if I were going to sell this, I might do, you know, like 2 to 3 coats. And I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I've let these dry, and what we're going to do now is I'm just going to emboss the edges, and I'm going to coat it with this color gold right here, which is this color. And I do have this color gold as well, but I don't really like that color too much. This is what that one looks like. I'm not sure if you can see the difference in the video, but yeah, I don't, I didn't like that one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just slide these off. And as you can see, these are like, they're shiny. And you can do as many coats as you like. Like I said, if I was to sell these or like be gifting these, I would do probably another coat of the glaze. But because it's for me, I don't really mind. I don't mind it at all. So you're going to go ahead and open up your embossing pad. And like I said, I just want to do the edges. Make sure you have your heat gun plugged up. And all I'm going to do is just take the edges and just dab the edges like that. That's it. And then you want to dip it. Knock off the excess to where you can see the edges is now coated. Close everything up. I'm going to turn my heat gun on. Just focus it. And you can see it like heating up and glazing. And that's pretty much it. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can get it to focus because it is like smooth. Do you see that now? Like, look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to all of them, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, look at that. Like, that is shiny, it is glazed, and because I have the gold edges, it just looks like a real bead, like an official bead. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix it up with some regular beads. Oh man, I done spilled out my gosh darn beads. I'm missing a gold one. I think it fell on the floor somewhere. Okay, so anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair it up with some beads and also some elastic cord. So this is what you're going to need. Some elastic cord. And you're going to go ahead and put one. Just go ahead and put one on right now. To where now you have it like that, and you got the two sides coming out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a bead on each side. Probably I'm going to start with the gold ones first. Let me get another gold one. Hopefully this looks right. Okay, so we've got the gold beads just like this on each side. And I'm going to take another one of these. I want to make sure it's facing the same way. I'm going to take each end and cross it through. Take that one that way. Put this one in that way. To where it's looking like this, and it's going to start to form a ladder. So I'm going to go ahead and put my next pattern of beads on. Now this one I want to do a little bit different. So you know what, I'm going to actually grab some different beads. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm pretty much done. I have my ends. I want to show you how I close it. So all you're going to do is you're going to go back to this first one, put this first one through, and then I like to just go ahead and tie it to where the knot is on the bottom. That's going to be cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and tie the knot. Kind of wish this was black instead of it is what it is now. It's done. But if you guys have any template ideas you would like me to create. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Look at that. Wrong way. Let me put it on. Look at that. Like I said, you guys can get creative with this and create all types of bracelets. But I think that's cute. And this is super, super stretchy. Like, super stretchy. I probably could have got away with just doing 9. But I like it. I still like it. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.